Oh, I like this thing already.
Thank you very much for joining us here at Woodwork Therapy. If you're a first-time visitor, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification for all of our newest videos. So, in today's video, which I'm sure is the reason why you clicked on it, we're going to be reviewing over the Dilord Laser Level, which will keep you on the level. Sorry, bad dad joke. But seriously, there's a lot of reasons to have these. Cabinetry hanging, picture frame hanging, leveling out a desk, whatever it is you need a level, this thing's going to be able to do that. And we even found another application that we're going to go into in later in the video that you can use it for that I would have never thought of, but apparently I eventually did. So that was pretty cool too. So anyway, on that note, let's go ahead and see what's actually in the box, and then we'll go ahead and move on to what we can use it for. So let's do this.
The first thing you'll notice when you get the package from Dilord is that it has a very nice, sturdy, reusable, plastic hardened case to actually carry the laser level in. This is definitely a nice perk for kind of keeping it stored away and keeping it safe. And this is basically the presentation you see when you first open up the case. As you can see, it's all very well packed, and we definitely have a lot of features and options and accessories that come with it. So nice touch. We'll get into those here in just a second. The first part that we pulled out was the, well, laser unit. Why? Because, well, it's the coolest part, right? That's what you're actually here for. And as we can see on here, we can see 2 of the 3 different laser output areas, the stand where you can connect it to a tripod here on the left, and also the locking mechanism in case you need to lock in a specific level type of point, and that's on the front here that you're seeing. It also comes with 2 different batteries. These both have a charge indicator on them and a usage indicator, which is those numbers you're seeing there on the batteries themselves. The little circular parts on the battery, that's where that power charger, let's do that. And this is the remote for the unit. It has a horizontal and vertical button on here, so this way you can determine whether you want horizontal lines, vertical lines, or maybe a mix of both. So this comes in very handy because this doesn't require you to actually touch the level in order to be able to set whether you want horizontal or vertical. So that actually is pretty significant. And these are just some of the different leveling and leveling assistance items that come in the actual package itself. So one of the things we can see here is a magnetic leveling, kind of a magnetic tripod of sort. This can hang on the metal plate that's included, or it can just simply lock onto a metallic surface as long as it's a ferrous metal. Then we have the little leveling plate, so you can just kind of lightly raise the level if maybe you're just a little off from where you need it to actually be. And that one's actually really nice. Then we have a laser bullseye kind of a looking thing, and they call it a target plate on here. And this just kind of helps you figure out specifically where you need to be aiming at, so that way your level is, well, level. Then it has some other miscellaneous accessories in here, like a metal plate and this plastic clip here, which is probably used for something really cool, but I never really determined what that was for, at least.
Okay, so that was pretty cool. Now you have an idea of what's going on in the box, but let's talk about it actually being a functional piece of equipment. So basically the idea behind this is that we have multiple different types of lasers. Each is 360 degrees. So we have one down here at the bottom, which is nice for objects that are, going to be closer to the actual plane of the device itself. We have another one up here at the top, which of course gives us a little bit of upward distance. And then we have one here on the side, again 360 degrees. So what this does is this allows us to go and use this device in basically a 360 degree environment. And as you can see here, well, you might be able to see, let's see, there you go. So you can see here, it actually moves to try to adjust to always stay level. So that's actually kind of the nice thing about one of these. So it's kind of like a regular level, but it has more of like feels like kind of like a plumb in here of some sort that kind of just keeps it balanced with gravity at all times. So pretty neat. Never owned one of these before, so this is pretty awesome, not gonna lie. As far as this goes, it also comes with this batteries. This, of course, has one little battery charging port right here at the back, so you just plug into that. And it has a little screen readout here that tells you how much battery you have left. And that just very simply slides on here. I'm not going to do it because it immediately turns on the laser, but you slide it on here and then boom, laser will start turning on and then you're ready to go. So once you're done with all that, we've got the remote. Now it's not the remote to your new car, but it is the remote to the machine. So what this does is this has both horizontal, let's see if we can zoom in here. There we go. Has horizontal and vertical, and then whatever this button does. I haven't yet figured that out, but it doesn't seem like it's very important. It looks like it's an on-off button. It doesn't actually do that, just so you know. But these ones here, those ones are the ones that really seem to actually matter, and they can do a bunch of different things. So we'll be going into that a little bit as you're going through the video here. So on that note, let's go ahead and take a look at what the device can actually do. Okay, so I thought it'd be a little fun to try it by firing it down the hallway and seeing what we could do with it, and around the house in different spots, and just kind of straighten up the pictures and see how not straight things were in the house. Yeah, so I'll show that to you right now. Here you go.
As you can see here, we have the laser level out and just kind of just generically leveling out some picture frames and whatnot. And this actually helped out a lot because we were also able to go down the hallway and level out the picture frames in there too, which was kind of nice because some of them were off from all the years of being hung up here and everything. But overall, now everything is nice and straight in the hallway and no complaints.
So this was kind of an interesting application that I found, which was that I needed to measure from the bar directly straight up to go and put in basically hanging lights. And I needed to do that on a vaulted ceiling. So to kind of put that into perspective, basically I've got a flat surface and I have a surface like this, and I've somehow got to figure out how to get to that point right there from this point right here. That's kind of a weird way of doing things. So this is actually a spot where this little tool will wind up saving me when I actually go to do that project. And let me show you how that actually wound up turning out. Well, at least the measuring part, not the project. Haven't done that yet. Let's do this.
So as you can see here, we've already put it and aligned it to the middle of the bar, and now we have our plus in the middle of the bar. By turning it on, we now also have the plus in the same spot on the ceiling.
Okay, so you got a chance to see this little guy in action. What do you think? I don't know. I think it works really well. I think it worked out of the box. I think it did exactly what the manufacturer said it was going to do. And I think it definitely made a lot of things in my life personally a lot easier because of the fact that I don't have to manually go out and figure out where the level point is throughout an entire room, because I can't think of any other device that will allow me to level the entire room simultaneously from one centralized point. I mean, I could stick this thing on a tripod, I could stick it on a metal with the little metal adapter that's got the magnets on it. I mean, I can do all sorts of crazy stuff with this thing. I can even hard set it like I have it right now so it doesn't make that jiggling sound. You can hard set it so you can put it at an angle. I mean, I don't know what else more you would possibly want from this thing. It's just awesome. So definitely a neat thing. I'm kind of surprised I didn't own one sooner, to be honest with you. Well, as a result of me not owning one sooner, I'll show you what happened. Yep. Yep, wish I'd bought one of these a little bit sooner. Yeah. Nice and level. Okay, so you can pick on me in the comments for my lack of leveling my shelves. But, you know, when we go to reinstall the shelves, I guarantee I'll be using this. So there you go. Anyway, long story made short, it works great out of the box. It takes it just a few minutes to really kind of charge up. It didn't really seem like it needed a long time to charge or anything, given we did not run the battery all the way down to zero. But these are kind of hard to run down to zero because it's not really using that much power to begin with. So do keep that in mind. Like I said, the remote is pretty straightforward for the most part. You just hit the horizontal or vertical a few times, and we can turn the unit on and off. My problem I had was that you couldn't really get that power symbol to actually do a power thing, so that was kind of weird. So I'm not sure what that's about, but hey, it's probably just a lack of user understanding what the product is. I didn't really care. What I cared about was, did it put the light where I needed it so that way I could get my job done? And the answer is yes, it definitely did. It turned on. It worked. It went into different positions just like I expected it to. It hit all of my targets of what I needed. And it did that straight out of the box. So ultimately, at the end of the day, yeah, I totally recommend this. I think it's a great little product. I think it's a great way to go and make things a lot easier to deal with, whether you're doing installations of cabinetry, like these, or you're going to be setting up pictures in your thing, or maybe you need to hang some lights on the ceiling that are at an awkward angle or something along those lines, kind of like what we have with our vaulted ceilings. It doesn't really seem to matter. The point is that any of those applications are going to be really good, and they're all applications that we're doing either at our clients' homes or it's something that we're doing at our own home. Either way, this little product's going to take care of you. So on that note, yeah, definitely check it out. We're going to leave some links down below in the comments. That way you folks can go ahead and take a look at it. Definitely feel free to also comment yourself on what you think about the product. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon for all of our newest videos. In the meantime, stay safe in the shop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.